and welcome back to this Make Music video series. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Ableton Live and show you how the Launchpad gives you a hands-on music making experience. As we mentioned, Ableton Live is a DAW, which stands for Digital Audio Workstation, essentially a piece of software that's used for music production and performance. Live includes instruments which you can play, sounds for you to use, and effects for you to apply to your track. You're able to play these instruments, launch these sounds, and control these effects using your Launchpad. The Launchpad also allows you to take hands-on control of different functions inside Live, such as clip launching, mixer control, and more. Having hands-on control of Live using your Launchpad unlocks unique ways for you to be creative, such as launching clips to quickly and easily test out arrangements, playing out the rhythmic or melodic ideas that you have without friction, and controlling effects on the go. In the next video, we're going to show you how to install your copy of Ableton Live Lite and show you how to set up your Launchpad with Live.